What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the video.
What's up, family? For this fun video, all you're going to need is a pack of ramen noodles. Ramen noodles, a sequential staple for college students. Everyone has at least one pack in their cupboard. I made these meals a couple times in my life. So please watch the full video to reveal the 3 meals. Without further ado, let's get to creating, family. So we're going to start off with our pack of ramen noodles. And we're going to reveal them. Now see how they curved them? We're going to break that in half. Like this. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 1 cup of water. I'm going to go ahead and get our water boiling. Of course, place your noodles in first, and then we get it boiling. Now you want to drain your noodles completely dry. And let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. I'm sorry half the plate got cut off, you guys. Okay, let's reveal the first one. Marinara. If you want to know how to make homemade marinara, look at the link in the description below. You're going to go ahead and add your noodles. We're going to add more marinara, top it with a tomato, add some chives, and oh yeah, ramen marinara. Real quick facts.
Where did ramen noodles originate from? China. According to the record of the Yokohama Ramen Museum, ramen originated in China and made its way over to Japan in 1859. Early versions were wheat noodles and broth topped with cheese-style roast pork.
Okay, now for our second meal, we're going to take another cup of water, put our noodles in, and we're going to bring that to a boil. Remember, we're going to drain these now dry. And let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. We're going to add our Alfredo. If you want to know how to make homemade Alfredo, look at the link in the description below. Now you're going to go ahead and add our noodles. What? We're going to add our broccoli. And then we're going to top it with some more Alfredo. What? Ramen Alfredo. Quick facts.
Who invented top ramen noodle? Momofuku Ando. Instant noodles were created by inventor Momofuku Ando in Japan. It was first marketed on 25th August 1958 by Ando's company Nissan under the brand name Chicken Ramen.
All right, for our third and final meal, we're going to take 2 cups of water and we're going to bring that to a boil. Now remember, ramen noodles do require 2 cups to cook it. We're going to add our perfectly cooked rice. If you want to know how to cook perfect rice, look at the link in the description below. We're going to give that a stir. Bring that to a boil, and yes, we did not forget, we're going to add our seasoning in. That's the only seasoning you're going to use throughout this whole video. Bring that to a boil and add in more broccoli. And then our cheese. Throw that in there. Give me a like. Put a little bit more broccoli. 1 more. All right, we're going to stir that up until you get this. Yes, chicken, broccoli, and cheese rice. Who'd have thought? Okay, let's go ahead and plate this up for you guys. Look at that steam. All right, let's go ahead and have a taste here. That's hot. But yes, chicken, broccoli, and cheese rice. Okay, family. I hope you had fun with this video like I did. These are 3 meals that I've made while I was in college. And sometimes when you want to have a little bit stretched for a long way, this is great. Most college students or most people have these ingredients in their home. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell on your bottom right. The video on my right is my most previous video, and the video on the left is what YouTube think you should watch next. Until next time, family, peace.